today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom phone case. In this is a pattern of avocados, and but you can create like for multiple phones and multiple styles, and here just simple image in black background. Here you can create something also minimalistic with some text or some message, and even if you want you can create even on transparent, create something transparent. So I'm going to show you the tools I use, and I'm going to show you how fast you can create your own design and put it on your phone case. Walk through the steps. So at first we can go to Pinterest, and we can search for iPhone case, iPhone backgrounds, or let's say iPhone background, and let's find something beautiful we like. We can, let's say I want this one, this blue one. I can save it as image, and even if I don't want to take anything from like another site, we can use Canvas. This is another method. You can go to Canvas, choose create your own design. Let's create a design, make custom size. Let's choose 750 and 1590. It's best size for printing on your case. So, and here you can just add text. When you add your image, you can just scale it up so it fits, and you can add text. Let's say this is what I wanted, so I am going to save it as PNG. And if I would use transparent background, I would click here, and now I'm downloading it. And now I have the file, right? And you can also use any of AI generative tools, so you can generate your own design in AI. It also can work, but now you can go to website bestcases.com. And here you will see that you can create your own design. So you can click on it and choose the file we just chose, and it will put it on automatically. So you can, when you zoom in, you can see it's put on automatically. And if there is need to adjust the image, you can click on edit image, and you see that it's already adjusted correctly. You can move it around, you can do a lot of different things, and you can auto center and auto scale. So you can create bigger and smaller if you want, and move around, and then just center, and I will use auto scale. If you have like a background you want to fill, you can just fill with colors it already recognizes in the image, so you can do just like that. But I will just fill out all space with image, and this is the print area of the phone. So after that you can press save and click buy now, and then it will go to order page. And there are two types of cases. There is gel case and there is tough case. Tough case is tougher, it's more durable, and there it comes in two layers, silicone layer and the plastic layer. So but gel case is just one piece, and it's very flexible, and it's transparent, so it could be used with transparent design. So when you have chosen the case, then you can see there are not all models are available on top cases, so you can just search for your own phone case. Let's say 30, and yeah, you can buy now or add to cart if you are trying to create like, let's say, multiple different custom designs. And question, what about quality on the final product, and if the image you provided is very good quality, the quality on the case is also very good. If you would give bad quality image, let's give an example I can find, but if you would choose different or bad quality, it would be seen on the final product. So choose your image carefully, check it if it's high quality, and yes. I guess that's all, and thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, leave them in comments below, and yeah, see you guys in next video. Bye!